So on the SD recorder interface, this probably is very similar to the screens that you have currently with Batch Furnace, for example. So what my suggestion would be to do here is a couple things. To get the soak timer so it actually displays on the screen, what we can do is add that to the list over here. Doesn't have to be up there all the time, but to get that to be displayed, we should be able to go to settings, and if you look at this is going to be your channel and slot data that should be defined. That's where we would be getting all the data related to the points that are currently being displayed. And I know on this one here, what we have is the soak timer. So I'm going to add that pen over to the right hand side over here. I'm going to change that color to something other than black to make it stand out a little bit. And we can go with looks like we got a lot of the colors taken here, but let's just go with a fuchsia color. And I want to add the max scale on here. I don't know what your total soak time is, but this is in minutes. And I'm just going to go with 600 as an example. So once I hit tab, you'll see that I have the soak timer displayed there. So now you can look through your charts and you can see that the soak timer is being displayed. That's the soak timer that's used on the system itself. So what I think would be extremely valuable is if we look at the data points for that particular run. So let's say I wanted to get my soak time between these 2 points in time. So I can look at that information here, but if I go to view, left panel, and data list, okay, that the data information will be displayed here. I can shorten that up so we can go all the way out. So we see that soak timer where it begins and starts. Okay, so there's my soak timer. And as I slide the soak timer over to here, we can see that the soak timer starts at this point right there, 120 minutes. Now, when I right click, I can do a set reference